Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a poll in your Instagram story. Polls are a great way to engage with your audience and gather their opinions. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Next, tap on the 3 lines at the top right of the screen. This will open the menu options. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Under the Privacy section, look for Messages and Story Replies and tap on it. Step 6. Now tap on Story Replies. This will allow you to manage the settings for your story replies. Step 7. Finally, tap on Don't Allow Story Replies to prevent others from replying to your stories. That's it. Now you know how to make a poll in your Instagram story. It's a fun and interactive way to engage with your followers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.